Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add dual clock on iPhone lock screen. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add dual clock in your iPhone lock screen, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, you just have to open your settings app. In settings, just tap on general and then tap on software update, and you just have to try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending software update, try to update your software. Then go back from here, go to lock screen, and here just keep a long press on your lock screen and then select this customize option. Now here just tap on this add widgets option and then just scroll down and look for clock option here. Once you find clock, just select that, and you just have to select the clock which you want to set. Let's say I'm gonna select my city digital here. Just tap on city, and here just tap on your clock to set your country. So for example, I'm going to select anyone from here. And once I've selected, it will be added to your lock screen. Now just tap on done in the top right, and your lock screen is ready now. So in this way, you can easily add dual clock on your iPhone lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.